Good evening, my dear students. Today is 10 October 2021 and the day of IS prelims examination. In this video, we analysis the paper 1. According to the paper 1, we go to the analysis. According to the sections and subject, we divide 7 to 8 sections. Firstly, there are purely current events, sports, and award based questions. In current events and sports and awards, question based on core subject and concept is 2 question, and totally based on current affairs there are 3 question. So there are total 5 question in current event asked in this paper. Second, we talk about history, Indian culture and Indian national movements. There are 21 question asked from core subject. And India and world geography, there are 14 question asked from geography. There are 12 from core subject and 2 from current affairs. We talk about Indian policy and governance. There are 19 questions asked from Indian polity and governance. It is a big section and deciding section for examination after history. There are 19 questions and 1 question from current affairs in polity. We talk about economic and social development. There are 14 questions asked. In 14, there are 1 question from current affairs. General issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, and climate change. There are 15 questions asked from environmental section. In general science section, there are 12 questions asked. In 12 questions, 2 questions are purely based on current affairs. As per UPSC exam review, there are given by various other students. Some found that CSAT questions paper difficult. It was time consuming, and few of them also suggested that the CSAT paper was inspired by IIT JEE Mains. Students said that qualifying CSAT will be daunting task for aspirants. The math in CSAT was unpredictable, and now aspirants will have to take CSAT seriously. Some students says that paper pattern was not very tough and not very easy. GS paper 1, the questions on current affairs was very less, and there were 3 questions from sports, which is a first time in nearly 2 decades. Questions were from WTC, Summer Olympic, and polity and economic had conceptual questions. Too many questions were from biodiversity, ecology, microbiology, technology, and viruses and vaccines. There were no map based questions and international affair based questions. We talk about the cutoff of IS prelims. We found that expected cutoff can be close to 93 to 95 marks. There are 3 questions were from sports, which was a first in last 20 years, and direct questions from polity NCRT, class 11th and 12th, constitutional government and constitutional status of India in 1950, Debi Lal, an essential feature that indicate India's federal characters. And according to my view, there were questions from medieval history. There were 9 questions. And question from environment had a bent toward traditional knowledge, basic understanding of phylum, symbiotic relationship, has more focus on UNEP, UNF, CCC, and science technology were seemed to be inspired from current affairs. The question checked aspirants' fundamental understanding in types of viruses, bacteria, and recombinant vector vaccines. Its overall exam review was that paper was on similar lines compared to last year. It was a factual paper. Almost 1 by 3rd the question were tough, while the economy, modern history, and polity question were doable. If you have studied the standard sources, on the other hand, the majority of environment, science, medieval, and ancient history questions were tough as they were not from the standard sources and required both conceptual clarity and the application of intelligence guessing. So, there are not worry about this question paper. This paper is moderate type paper and the cutoff will be 95 for general students, not more than 95. General students, cutoff goes for EVS is 85, 80 to 85, and OBC 88 to 91. For SC, there will be 75 to 75, 75 to 77 marks. For ST के लिए 65 to 70. So best wishes for all of you and go prepare for mains examination. Jai Hind.